Welcome to the new session. In this session, I am going to explain you all the contents which is on the SAP Easy Access screen, and I will show you how to log into the SAP Easy Access screen. And after logging, I will explain you each and every content and each and every button which is inside the SAP Easy Access screen, and I will explain a little bit of T codes also. Not completely, I will explain the starting. So let's go to the video and let's start the session. First you will observe the screen like this, and here you can click on the log on button, or else you can click on the already on the connection which you have already logged in, so that it will pop up a page for getting access to the SAP Easy Access screen. So you should give your own user ID and your own password. I am giving my user ID and my password, and I am clicking on the enter. Here you can see a new SAP Easy Access screen has been opened, and the menu, edit, favorites, extra, system, help, all these are called as menu bar. All this is called as menu bar, and this dialog box is called as command bar, and next to this, these all are called as standard toolbar. Okay, all these are called as standard toolbar, and this is SAP menu, and the shortcut for this is Control F11, and this is SAP business workplace, and this is favorites, and you can add all the T codes, or else all the T codes T code screens to the favorites, so that you can access it very easily. And this is like the first initial page of the screen, and this is previous page. Like if you have multiple pages, you can go for the previous page, and this is for the next page, and this is for the last page. You got the point? And this is like search button, and if you click on this button, you can give the code which you wish to search easily, so that you can give the code and you can click on the find. After clicking on the find, it will automatically directly take you to the path screen, so that you can find the T code easily. You can find the path very easily with the help of the T code. And this is to find the next T code, so that you can search for multiple T codes. And this is the print, so that you can take the print of the documents very easily. And this is the new sessions. Session is nothing but opening a new window, and we can open up to 6 sessions. Okay, more than 6 it is not accessible to open the new windows. Okay, see, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and after 6, here you can find like maximum number of SAP GUI sessions has been reached. So I am unable to open the new window session. Okay, and to open the session, we should click on this bar, or else we can go for system, new GUI window. You got the point? New GUI window or control N. We can open a session in 3 types. Like one is using this button, and the other one is system, new GUI window, or else we can use a shortcut like Control plus N. If you click on Control plus N, then it would automatically take to a new session. And if you need to close the GUI window, you need to click on the system, close GUI window, or else you can give a shortcut command like /I and hit enter. Then automatically the session will be closed. /I, hit enter, /I, hit enter, /I, hit enter, /I, hit enter. Here you can see only one session is remaining. You got the point? And what is meant by you could see like a /i is the command for the shortcut to close the window. Now I will repeat it once again. You could see here like I have opened 4 sessions. You see here it is 1 2 3 4. Now I will show you like I will give the shortcut command /i to close the session. See, you could see 3 screens here, and once again I am going to give the /i to close each screen. /i to close the each screen. So one session is remaining. And one more option is like you could give F3 for going back. For example, if you have given one T code OX15, so you could click on the F3 to go back. If you click on F3, it will automatically take you to back. Or else you could give for example OX15. Okay, then you could give /n to go back. Like it will take you back to the SAP Easy Access screen. Are you clear? And for this session I thought to explain the SAP Easy Access screen. I hope you guys understood well. If you have any doubts related to SAP Easy Access screen, you could mention in the comments so that I could check and I could respond you back. And I request you to like this video if you thought my explanation is good, and you could share the same video to your friends who are planning to learn SAP FICO or SAP or about SAP, and you could subscribe for getting more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a good day.